Hey everyone, so I'm back. I have been cleansed, moisturized, and I actually just recorded a video of me doing the makeup, and of course I have problems with YouTube and technology, and so it didn't record. So I have my face on already pretty much, so I'm just going to walk you through what we did. So this is the makeup kit. I am a Cool 2, so in that kit you are going to get your Cool 2 foundation, a foundation brush, the misting spray, a blush. You are also going to get a lip gloss, so much stuff, and then 3 eyeshadows, and one of them's open, so I don't want to spill it everywhere. 3 eyeshadows and a bottle of lavender in your kit. So for $150, foundation, blush, brush, spray, lavender, 3 eyeshadows, lip gloss. All vegan quality natural makeup that I love. My skin used to hate makeup. I would break out so bad. And this has just been amazing for me. So my foundation, I just take my brush and I spray, and then I dab, 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 like dots first, and then I just pick up more foundation and whirl it around, really blend it and rub it in. Make sure you get your jawline into your ears, your hairline. You don't want to have that like strong makeup line anywhere, which this makeup is really forgiving and buildable, so you don't really have to worry about that as much. So then next I did my blush, which is smashing, and you guys, if you're freaked out because it's so pink, like, don't be, because it's a really natural, pretty pink, and you can't even tell. I always just think of my mom's, like, 80s and 90s, like, pink blush with the blue eyeshadow, and that's not what this is. So I just applied the blush right on the balls, apples, I guess they're called, of my cheeks. And then the 3 eyeshadows, Best Kept Secret, which is a neutral matte, so there's no shimmer to that. So I use the misting spray and I apply that all over my eyelid, all the way up, just to prime it and cover the whole thing. And then Residual is a lighter, but it has the shimmer to it. Another trick is when you get these, don't pull that sticker completely off or your makeup's going to be everywhere. I actually like to take an X-Acto knife and just cut like 1/3 to 2/3 of it off so it's not all open and getting everywhere. So Residual is a really pretty shimmer. So that I just applied to my lid. And then Crushin' is like my favorite color. It is so pretty. And that is also shimmery. It reminds me of like rose gold. So I did a comparison on my hand. This is dry, so if you just put it on without the misting spray, that's a better look. Dry, and then this is foiled, which is with the misting spray. It gives it more of a shimmer. So I did that in my crease and then just blended it out really well. I also put a little residual like under my brow and the corner of my eyes to add a little natural highlighter. So I put the Abundance lip gloss just on my upper lip because there's a couple things that I add that I want to show you outside of the kit. So as you can see, it's just a really natural, it matches my true lip color almost to perfection. So that's what you get in the kit for the $150, which is crazy because I went to Sephora before this makeup release and I just got a few things, and I don't even want to talk about how much I spent on makeup that now I don't even use. So for $150, I mean, you get a lot of stuff. Okay, so outside of the kit, there's 3 or 4 things that I recommend. One of them is the Crowned All Over Bronzer. It's a really pretty, like light, shimmery bronzer. And that's what I do the contouring with, so the 3. So under my blush, down my jawline, down the sides of my neck, the 3. Okay? So I really like that. It's on right now. I'm in a room with fluorescent light, so it's really hard to show you how pretty this stuff actually looks, because as we know, it's not great under fluorescent light. Nobody wants to look at their skin under fluorescent. So Crowned All Over, I would highly recommend adding, or any of the bronzers. They're really nice. For the Cool 2, though, I really like the Crowned All Over. The next thing I would look at adding is the Veil. So the Veil is like a really nice shimmer. So when you hear the word shimmer, a lot of people are like, oh no, I don't need to be all shiny. But I just use this to hit as a highlighter on my nose above forehead, chin, down my neck, and then I blend my face stuff that I did. So my bronzer and blush, I just kind of use and blend because this does work as a primer or a setter, whatever it's actually called. So I really like the veil. I think it adds a nice highlight, and I feel like it helps keep my makeup on. It's not as shimmery as you think. Try to get out of the fluorescent light so it's not so obvious, but anyway. So the next thing I would add is the multitasker. The multitasker is a nice dark brown. You can see some light in there right now, and I'm going to explain why in a second. So this is great. You can use for the creases. You can use this with the spray to make your eyeliner. If you like brown over black eyeliner, you can use this for contouring. I like to take the Best Kept Secret, which was the matte eyeshadow, and put my whole eyebrow brush in the Best Kept Secret and pick up a bunch of it, and then I put it in the lid of the multitasker, and then I only pick up about a third of the brush in the multitasker, and I end up mixing them in the lid, and I get this really nice light powder, and that's what I use to define my eyebrows a little bit more. So I did all that in the video that didn't record, so I'm just going to go over it with you now. But I really like combining them because you can mix them to your skin. If you have dark hair, just multitasker alone will do the trick. I have lighter hair, so that doesn't really work for me. Okay, so outside of the kit, this is On a Whim lipstick. It's really, really pretty. It's so hard to get, like, for you to see the right colors and stuff on a video. So on my top lip, I just have the Abundance lip gloss. So on my bottom lip, I'm going to put the On a Whim. So you can see a little bit of a difference. And I actually like to combine them. So I like to then put my Abundance over the top. And it just is like a really pretty natural, and it holds. I feel like it holds longer than just the lip gloss on its own. So that's On a Whim with Abundance. The lip glosses are infused with peppermint, so they have like a natural plumper to them, which is awesome. Now, as of right now, Savvy does not have mascara. This is from the old Sweet and Savvy line before Young Living picked it up. I bought like 3 tubes. So I'm just going to finish my look with mascara. Right now, use whatever organic mascara you have, but hopefully Young Living will surprise us at convention in June and we'll get the mascara. So I've never really put mascara on with a phone and not a mirror. So I'm sure you're going to get all kinds of great faces out of me here. I've seen people talk about putting their mascara on and then using a brush and applying some of the multitasker or the Jet Setter eyeliner, and then another coat of mascara, and then you don't have to pay for the synthetic fake mascara that makes your eyelashes longer. Another trick that I like in my mascara is I add a drop of ylang ylang, a drop of cedarwood, and a drop of lavender, and that really helps make my eyelashes grow a lot longer and seem fuller. So there you can see the difference, how you obviously mascara is like the finishing touch for makeup. So I will do man, you guys, mascara on a phone is not the easiest thing. My dogs are running through here wondering what's going on. So there you have it. It just finishes the look to have the mascara. It's a really light, natural look. My hair is still kind of wet from my shower, but there you have it. There is my Savvy Makeover, which takes me about 5 minutes to put on. I know the video is a little longer because I'm talking, but as you can see, this is what it is. So if you go back to my moisturizing video, The last step I did was put on the Sheer Lume brightening cream, so you can see what my skin looked like before and now. Also on my Facebook page, I have some before and after pictures posted. It's a little gnat flying around. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. You know where to find me if you have any questions or want to get your own makeup. Have a great day.